Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra if you haven't been here before, and today we're doing a makeup tutorial slash get ready with me, and we're going to focus on the lips. This red t-shirt has inspired me to do a bright red lip, but we're going to focus on the lip and not do anything on the eyes except, well, maybe a little bit of mascara, and we're going to have a glowy face with fairly dark blush because, as you know, I love my blush. So let's get into the video. We're going to start with a primer. And according to people on YouTube right now, these videos are about old school makeup. So back in 2008, 2009, when this whole beauty guru thing started on YouTube, apparently this is an old school item, but I just found it. So it is new to me and I'm gonna use it. It's very silicone based. It is completely clear, but for my purposes today, I'm going to put it all over my face, press it into my pores, and it makes your skin feel so soft. Next, we are going to use the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. This is the shade Medium Sand, and I'm using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Oh, I can't get it open. We're going to put some all over my face. Didn't realize it, but this shade looks like yellow for my skin tone. Look, I can draw a little happy face, watch. I'm such a nerd. Okay, good enough. That's more than enough. Okay, we're going to pat it into the skin using the sponge. And I've kind of over wet it. It should have been squished out a bit more. I kind of like it that way. I find it dries out really quick. I'm kind of in a nerdy mood. We're going to do a makeup video today just to kind of get ready for the day and do some errands and go out. Not that I can't leave the house without any makeup on. I do it all the time. But I feel like wearing makeup today. And I can't tell you what it is in this video, but you will see. I will post more videos after this video. And I am going to do something, another nerdy thing that I love to do and I'm obsessed with. You'll see. It's a surprise. I think I've mentioned it before, but I'm probably the biggest nerd. And I can admit that because, you know, back when I was a teenager or in high school, that stuff bothered me. And now I don't really give, don't really care. Okay. I blended this all over my face and down my neck a little bit. Not going crazy because I'm going to the grocery store. I'm sure the grocery store people honestly don't care what I look like. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, the shade Light Neutral. And I kind of prefer, like under the eyes, I prefer the sand shade. Whether it's light sand or medium sand, because it's got more of a yellow tone and it brightens the under eye, but I have like 2 of these light neutral shades. So I need to use them up. Not that I would ever get rid of it because Shape Tape is amazing, but I've got a lot of it. And tomorrow is going to be a really early day. I'll do another video. And I'm not really sure what I'll do. Something without lipstick because I have to go to the dentist. I'm really not looking forward to it. I actually have to get a filling done. And I don't even mind the needle part. That's not really what bothers me. what bothers me is that they go in there with like metal tools and that like metal contraption they put in your mouth to put the blue dam on to keep stuff from falling in the back of your throat. That thing bugs me the most. Okay, good enough. I'm going to use my Essence Loose Setting Powder, shade Banana. Whoa, there was powder coming everywhere out of there. I'm going to just tap a little bit in the cap and use my Real Techniques makeup sponge to press into the powder and put it under the eye like so. And set that concealer in so it does not crease and go anywhere else I do not want it to go. Good. Now I'm taking my F20 powder brush by Sigma, using the remaining powder in the cap just to set the rest of my face. My forehead already started to not wrinkle. I have enough of those. Crease. You gotta do it quick. Done and done. Next step, I will do contour first and then maybe blush, and then I'll go off camera and do my eyebrows. It always seems to take forever. I'm just using the large angled contour brush, the F40. Going in with my neutral contour. I want to focus on the cheeks, but I don't need to do a heavy contour because I'm going to use this like bright blush. It's like a wine colored blush, but it's the Milani Baked Blush in red Vino, and it's very poppin'. You'll see when I put it on. Don't be scared to use bright colors, you guys, because if you always get the right formula, you can always blend it out really well and you never have to worry about having a color look too bright. Sometimes it's fun to play around with different makeup too. And that's actually fun too, because especially if you don't really wear makeup a lot, and then all of a sudden you like have like a crazy eye look going on, people are like, what? And you just scare them. Not like a clown. I always refer to makeup as not looking like a clown face, but you know, just looks different if you never do makeup and then all of a sudden you do. People are like, hello. Okay, so not going dramatic with any contour whatsoever, just warming up the face a little bit and the forehead and the temples. But I noticed this side of my nose is darker than the other, so we'll just buff it out with my powder brush. Good. So, blush. This is what she looks like. I'll open it up. It's got dark color and then veins of gold going through it. It's so pretty. So it'll probably be a little bit sparkly, but that's okay because I'm not putting anything else on my face. I'm taking my F10 powder blush brush by Sigma, just popping it in the brush like that, in the blush. Smile. And whoa, some bright clown cheeks for you. And now the trick is to blend. So maybe I should go out looking like this. What do you think, guys? Would that be crazy? Would people look at me weird? Probably. Okay, take your original powder brush and just blend it out. That would be funny. One day I should do that. And if you blend it out good, it looks natural and it just looks like I have this really pretty flush going on. So for brows, I am using my regular, the usual, the Anastasia Brow Whiz medium brown and the clear brow gel. I will do this off camera and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. Brows are done, looking good. We're going to go in with a highlight, and I'm going to use Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten. It's kind of like a pinky nude highlighter. I'm using my F35 tapered highlight brush by Sigma, of course. And I'm going to apply it to the tops of my cheekbones. So just one comment about this highlighter. I haven't actually used it recently, and I just noticed like maybe the shade is too pink for my skin tone because I do have like a more of a golden olive colored complexion, but I don't think it's too sparkly. I think it's really pretty actually, especially in the pan. It just looks so gorgeous. I was thinking of getting the copper and the bronze color, so I might try it out, but this isn't really my go-to highlighter anymore. Like I think this is the first one I ever bought. I think maybe this one's definitely too pink for me. Okay, and I might just take a small brush. I'm going to use this little guy here. It's the Blending E36. I'm just going to apply a small amount in the corners of my eyes because like I said, we're not doing any color on the eye, but we want a little bit of focus, a little bit of sparkle just to kind of make them pop on the inside corner. And for that matter, we could add a little bit underneath the eyebrow as well, just touching the brow bone right there. And done. And next we'll do lips. So I'm using my Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade 02 True Red. I don't think I've used this on my video yet, on a video. Or maybe I used it for my first date night, I can't remember. So as always with red, you have to be very, very careful. And for lipstick, I'm going to fill in my lips with this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 20 Pioneer. Now it looks like a very bright lip, and it is a liquid matte lipstick, so it's going to dry after I put it on here. It doesn't completely match the color of the liner, but we're going to make it work. And if that's the case, you just carefully mimic where you put the liner on. And if you are using a matte liquid lip, you can just forgo the lip liner. You don't even need it. I think I use it now because it's more of a habit more than anything. and I have it all over my teeth. Yay for me! Okay, so once it dries, it shouldn't get on my teeth. Let's hope. I feel like the right side is like a little bit higher than the left. There. Good. Now I'm going to again do my mascara off camera, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I know this product gets lots of raves, but I don't love it. It's a sample size, so I'm just going to use it till I use it up. It is not my favorite mascara, but I will show you what it looks like when we get back. Hi. Okay, we're back with mascara done, and I just took some of the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray and gave my face all over a quick little spritz. The mascara looks good, but it's not my favorite because I noticed that I don't have as much control with the brush. I'll actually show you what it looks like here. So I know it's meant to be like a volumizing mascara, but on me, and maybe it's just because my lashes are already so long, it kind of makes them look like spider legs, and they're just like interconnected, and there's no like exact definition. And maybe you all are thinking I'm crazy. I don't love it. It's not my favorite, and I do notice that it flakes after, and it has little pieces of mascara left behind on your cheeks when you're done putting it on. So, but anyway, that is the completed look, and I hope you like it. It's very quick. It still gives you that wow, like her makeup is done and she looks awesome, or him for that matter. Have to include everybody. But in my case, I think this is perfect for a quick daytime look. Some people feel like they can't pull off a red lip, but I honestly think that anyone can do it. And as long as you minimize the makeup on the rest of your face, it looks perfect and pulled together, even for an everyday look. And I think this video is pretty quick. So please leave me some comments, you guys. Let me know what you liked about this video, what you'd like to see for next time. I know I keep saying that and I haven't really received any comments. I am open for suggestions. I love hearing from you guys. Just let me know if there's anything I can do better, or if anything I should forget about, take away, and what kind of videos you'd like to see. So, and I do like the idea of like the get ready with me, like talking about stuff for daily life in general and ideas and stuff like that. And again, if you have any advice for me, leave it down below. So we'll see you next time. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. We'll talk to you soon. Can't wait to see you next time.